Luck here, guys. Good luck. Inception bird 6374. Dice roll 10 times on the dice. Letters first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 and 5 is 10. And up top, UV at the bottom. And we are going 10 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Mark up top, Donald at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Or let me fix this font first. There we go. Now let's sort them out. And there's your letters. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Here we go. Appreciate you letting me know there, Joseph. Should be fixed now. Let me know if we're good to go. Again, guys, that was the break. Appreciate the fill.